Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well guys, let's make a start. Well, sometimes you rush towards IELTS. Some of you book the IELTS date and then you go for preparation. I like this attitude as well because students believe when there is an exam only then they can study and otherwise they don't study. So for those who've just booked the IELTS date, test date, or for those who are planning to appear in IELTS exam in the next 7 to 10 days, I have a wonderful study plan. It's only 6 days plan. 6 hours plan, and within 6 hours you will be ready for IELTS, right? This study plan starts with listening module, one full listening test, all in 6 hours, all in one, okay? This is all in one IELTS preparation plan. So it starts with listening module, then there is reading, AC or GT, there are 2 plans. Then there is writing, all 4 types of essays, all 4 types of reports, and 3 types of letters for general training, and both plans are different and separate. And then there is speaking, okay? And this 6 hours plan is absolutely free of cost. Like in Urdu they say "Che din IELTS in." Exactly, okay, no problem. 6 days and IELTS is in, right? So in order to get this study plan, you can see a number on your screen right now. Just send a message 6 hour. Now this code is important, okay? You need to write 6 hour academic study plan or 6 hour general training study plan. If you change the wording, you will not get the right study plan. I'm telling you right now. 6 hour academic study plan, 6 hour general training study plan. Send this message on this number, and as a result you will receive a message. There will be the link. Attend this 6 hour session and don't attend it all continuously. Attend the session for 1 hour, then take a break. For example, you can attend listening, take a break, then attend reading, take a break, then attend writing, one portion of writing, take a break. Like this you need to do it, and within 6 hours you will be ready. And even if your IELTS exam is tomorrow, you can just go through that and you can prepare yourselves. This study plan is actually emergency instant IELTS preparation plan, and it's absolutely free of cost. Enjoy yourselves guys, okay? In order to get the study plan, WhatsApp me now and I'm going to respond to your message and you can get the plan. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my online or in campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.